In 1314, Scotland's fight for freedom stood on the edge of ruin. King Edward II of England marched north with nearly 20,000 men, armored knights, archers, and siege engines to crush Robert the Bruce once and for all. Waiting near the town of Bannockburn was Bruce's army. Barely 6,000 men, mostly farmers and clansmen. They stood on marshy ground, surrounded by pits and traps they had dug themselves. When the English cavalry charged, they sank into mud and confusion. Scottish spearmen surged forward, locking shields, driving back the knights with pure determination. After 2 brutal days of fighting, the mighty English army broke. Their banners fell, and Scotland was free. Bannockburn wasn't just a victory. It was defiance made legend the moment a small nation stood against a kingdom and won. Battlefield Legends, where freedom finds its voice.